Hello friends, with you today. Stick bomb, also known as stick bomb. We'll show you how to do it. We get to sticks upright them. Well, we put it horizontally, it won't be too horizontal. Then he takes another rod and from the middle of the yellow. We pass, it will stay on the pink. I will place it first. Then take another stick over the orange. Behind the yellow thing, we need to bring it from the gold. Yes, friends, we will do it like this. That yellow blue shouldn't go too far or it will distort in the forward corrections. Take another stick. This time we will pass under the pink over the yellow. Bluey wrap blue under pink. This is how we go over. It should be such an image. After that, we turn it horizontally and get another stick. And this time from under the orange, you need to go over the blue guys. This is if you make the first places beautiful. Stick bomb, you make more beautiful and more. It's also geekly. The image is like this. Something needs to happen, guys. It needs to be like this. Then take another yellow. The yellow we placed first. Gold on green. We are placing something grown up. It should be such an image. Next, we get another stick. This time from under blue to over yellow. In a vertical image, not too vertical or too horizontal. Yes, friends, then we get another stick and this. We put the pink under the campaign green. Friends, it is very important that we place and hold these 3 rods beautifully. If nothing else, all your work. 2 seconds can go in vain. After that, friends, everything is in order. Never mind, put it there. No, as you can see, we place the blue under the yellow. The yellow above. We'll place it with a stick so it's easy. To the order that could be now, we are removing the yellow. Yes, friends, we will speed up the construction here. Finally, we will show you in detail and detonate. Yes, friends, here, how to install the sticks carefully in sensitive. You will watch it put somehow. Yes, friends, here. I'll show you how stick bomb ends without explosion. We put it on once. This is how we put it. When we put it under that red. See this as we burn. Yes, friends, the end of the tick bomb we made. Now it's time to detonate. Welcome, I'm opening. Thanks for watching. We will like it, friends, and we will be very happy if you subscribe.